In Blender 3.2 Alpha, enable Developer Extras in Preferences interface. In the Experimental tab, enable the Extended Asset Browser feature. Now you can mark collections as assets in the outliner. To see them in the Asset Browser, enable Collections in the filter. Unfortunately, it seems that you have to enable this checkbox each time you start Blender. You can give it a custom thumbnail. Another method works in Blender 3.1 and was discovered by YouTuber Brandon's Drawings. Press Shift A and add a collection instance of the collection. Right-click on the collection instance in the outliner and mark it as asset. Save the blend file in a folder listed in File Paths. To edit the instance later, press Ctrl A and choose Make Instances Real.